Good morning, everyone. Today you're with the Traveling Real Estate Agents, and we are across the street from the Forest Lake High School. That's our backdrop for today's discussion. What we wanted to talk to you about is, let me turn it so it's not so glary for you, is whether to build or not to build. 'Tis the question, as they say. Building for many can be just a really, really good experience. For others, it could be a tough experience. I know one time Gina and I were building, and the lady where you select your floorings and all your colors and that had a couple that spent 4 hours with her, and she was concerned that they were going to stay married over it. We have found that it's a lot of fun. I guess the part of it is you need to decide is what makes sense for you, to build or not to build. You can put in the home what you want. You're not going to live with somebody else's dirt. And I know it sounds gross, but it's true, and that's what I hear from people. Also is the fact, though, that you will probably pay more per square foot for the home that you are going to, a used home. Let's back up. You will pay more per square foot for the new home you're going to build. It's a better deal to buy a home that is pre-existing, as they say. There's a lot of pros and cons. We'd love for you to give us a call. We'd be able to go over that, to tell you the options. One, like I said, is a lot of fun, or it can be just horrible, and it also depends on the builder. Give us a call. We'll tell you the straight scoop on which option might be best for you. I will caution you, if you go to a builder, I would make sure you're represented. Otherwise, you will not have your own representation. They represent both sides there. I would certainly want you to have representation, and so someone's fighting in your corner. That's it for today. We have a beautiful day. I'm going back into the office. I've got a lot to do. We had a wonderful seminar with Travis Tom yesterday, and I want to get working on that. The information is going to be on the YouTube channel on how to get a hold of us. Please take a look. Check out our website at www.metromnhomes.com, and we will talk soon. The Traveling Real Estate Agents are over and out.